Hello, hello, our entrepreneur friends. What's up? It's your girl, Erica. And who are you?
Thanks, Roy Elliott.
So we are entrepreneurs. We own multiple businesses. We have a ton of experience. And we wanted to send this message out to all those entrepreneurs out there. So if it's not you, I'm sure you know somebody, please share this video out. We are hosting a Zoom with our top entrepreneur friends. They are going to share tips. We're going to learn about confidence with mindset, confidence in showing up on social media, and even gaining leads. Because in every single business, if you don't have leads, you don't have customers, really, because you need them to come into your business and be in your space. And then, of course, they pay you and they turn into a customer. So we can't wait to share our tips. So all you have to do is go to expertsinbiz.com, expertsinbiz.com, and you'll find out all the details, where it is, when it is, all of that. And we can't wait to see you. Oh, I almost forgot. We are going to be giving away prizes as well. So all you have to do is register, show up, and provide feedback to be entered to win some pretty fabulous prizes. So anything you want to share about why they should come to our Zoom with our business friends?
Well, in my opinion, you said it all. Right? Knowledge is power. That's all I need to add. Knowledge is power. So many words, exactly what Erica just said. Yes. Knowledge is power. That's all you need to know to show up right here with the experts. Experts in business.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yes. Expertsinbiz.com.
Yeah, right.
You're
going
to be amazed.
Yeah. Expertsinbiz.com.
Yes. Yeah.
All right. Every business start with knowledge. Yeah. You need knowledge to be successful. Yes. Mindset.
Oh,
you need proper mindset to be successful.
Yes.
Right.
And he's the mindset expert. I can't wait to hear what tips he's going to offer. And we have Helen. She is a TikTok celebrity, and she's going to give you tips on social media. And Mimi is a customer relationship expert who is amazing at putting packages together. And she runs Born to Shine Travel. She's also a tour guide. So if you are in the travel industry, you need to hear what she has to say. Gabrielle is going to be there. She is our beauty expert. If you're in the beauty industry, get your cute little patootie there and register. You need to hear what she has to say. And of course, I'm going to be talking about leads. So I'm excited to see everybody. So can't wait to see you. And there's even more that I didn't mention. We got to keep some surprises, don't we? So expertsinbiz.com. We will see you soon. Bye.
Later. Big up. Bless.